by. 10-4, stand by.
Crashed out Skyline in Goshen. Hey, get off the bike. Get down. Get on the ground. Like, lay on your face, buddy. On the ground. Lay on your face. God damn it. Yeah, I know, right? Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back before you get tased. Okay.
Get on over there. 10-4 out of 5.
Leroy, I'm at Goshen and Skyline Drive. I'm 1015. I'm gonna need a 1011 for this bike.
10-4 out of 52.
Roll over to your side.
36 foot right 98.
10-4 out of 36, 3:39 p.m.
You got a pistol or something? Sure. Light stove? You want it? I bought it. I said, are you on it? No, sir. I went to my PO yesterday. So why are you running? Put your knees to your chest, buddy. Hold on, man. You got it like a holder or something.
Adam 56 foot rod.
Adam 56 ride.
Were you guys able to get an update on where that collar's at?
10-4, stand by. Adam 56.
Go ahead. I'm 10-4. I got a unit out with you.
This is a call from Pulaski. We're just trying to get the 21 from them.
I don't know why I could think of that. You ain't got no meth on you? No meth on the bike? Yeah. I'm just waiting on this tow truck. You ain't got meth on you? Sure. Got nothing on it. What you run for then? Huh? Say again? I don't know.
We're out of 56.
Trying to go see my pregnant old lady.
Right.
Is that off of Patreon?
1022.
10-4, 10 on the 8.
You ain't got nothing in your pants, buddy?
10-4.
Sitting there talking hard.
down here.
10-4, Adam 32, 3:41 p.m.
What up, man? Not much.
Just like a bar from where I saw y'all.
846 from 1044.
Yeah, I wonder what the VIN number is on this.
Yeah. Usually on the, right there.
You see
Adam
it?
46, go ahead.
What does it end with? What's the last four?
Paulson and Frank Hillis. Paulson and Frank Hillis. Arkansas Boyd George Zebra 47.
0405.
BGZ 478.
Let me see if that what came back to the plate. 0405.
10-4.
What's your name? Huh? What you get that last four as?
Got a picture of it.
Okay. Oh, your bike is stolen. Oh, it's cooked. It's okay. No, it's gonna be stolen. JH2SC2607 Sam Mary 50040. Say again.